We are at the end of the Python course. So the final bit of this is creating something out of everything we've learned. So I just need you to follow through with all the steps that would be implementing. So the sample project we'll be working on is creating a BMI calculator. So we want something more complex, so we won't be using this that is being generated. So let's try to get user inputs. We want to get the name of the user, we want to get the height, we want to get the weight of the user. So my name is Hope. Height, let's just use 1.9. Weight, let's say 80, and that is it for that. So remember everything we've discussed in this course, so you should understand all of these. Now we're going to write a function to calculate the BMI. So this function calculates BMI to get the weight, height, and return this. So we'll also get a function to interpret the results from our BMI. So it gets the BMI, then use conditional operators. We have our if, we have elif being used here based on our operators. Less than this, less than this, less than this. Now we'll call the function and display our results. So let's run this, run this, run this. So hello Hope, your BMI is 22.16, you are normal weight. So this is a sample project that you can do. Do this, replicate it, put it on your GitHub, and let us know. You can send us the link for us to see. And I've created a couple of project ideas. I have a couple of project ideas here, which I want you to do at least some of them. If you are down for it, if you are serious about this course, you can, do more. So I have it grouped by levels. So level 1, we have basic Python concepts. You can do the number guessing game. You can do personal information manager. For level 2, you can do a to-do list manager. You can do a contact book application. Level 3, you can do a weather information display. You can do simple data visualization. For level 4, you can do a personal budget tracker, student grade manager. For level 5, you can do a personal study assistant, and also simple e-commerce system. So these projects are achievable, and you can integrate AI into your workflow. So let's quickly run through using AI. So I know we've tried to just understand the concepts for the time being, but you also need to introduce AI into your work. There are various ways to use AI. You can generate. So you can just say, I want to build a to-do list manager, right? So that is looking at this project over here, and you can choose the model that is giving you responses. And see, what did it do? Let's try that again. I want to build, delete this, do it again. A to-do list manager. So as you can see, it's just gives you the response. You can accept, you can close, you can accept and run. So if you accept the code, you can look through what it gave you, look at the functions, look at the details. Since you have a working knowledge of Python now, you can easily understand what is going on. And if you still don't, you can chat up Copilot over here. There is the agent, there's the ask, there's edit. You have different models that you can switch to. So you can just easily say, I need you to explain to me the simple to-do list manager in my script. So it will look at your script and explain everything that was being done. Can you see? This is the same code it's trying to explain to you. And if you still don't understand, you can prompt it further, right? So this is meant for you to have an easy workflow. So don't hesitate to use your GitHub Copilot, use your Generate, just to work on your projects. That is a good way to integrate AI into your workflow. So that would be the end of this phase of coding in the age of AI, and I will be seeing you in the next class. Bye.